Hello guys, welcome from frogtechtips again. Today I just would like to show you how small, how actually small damage it can make a Mavic motor overload. Actually, I got one guy who come to me and he said, I don't have any crash. I always keep the protection on there. I don't know what's happened, but my Mavic got this error, but yeah, it's so strange and I really always care about my Mavic. I said, okay, I will have a look and find it what is or why is wrong. I said, okay, just have a look, and I open it and look what I find it. It's not been damaged, but it's been this. Did you see that? It's a very small burn on the cable. Why is there? No idea, guys. Probably just cable overheat or from gimbal overheat cable. But yeah, it's there, and that's been the reason, because once I changed this cable, everything is working again nice and smoothly. Yeah, and no problem anymore. Hopefully this help you find it your problem, or maybe diagnostic why you're maybe doing that. Look at that again. Yeah, it's very small damage and really hard visible. It just looks like paint broken or whatever. Yeah, I don't know, guys, just make your decision what you're thinking about this, but this been definitely problem, because once I change this, all working again, and really under microscope this looks like burn, like middle cable on the flex burn, which pop up the color. Yeah guys, stay tuned, click like, subscribe, and I hope this video helped you diagnostic your problem, and stay tuned because I'm here for you. And by the way, thanks for all my new subscribers. I start growing up, which I like it. Thanks, bye.